It's real easy. This has actually got some tape in it, but you can just pull that out, and that's what it looks like inside the chamber. And if you open the door and feel over to the right side, you'll feel a rubber wheel. And that rubber wheel, if you push towards the inside label maker, you can feel like where the rubber wheel and it meets a piece of plastic. That's where you want to stick the tape, between that rubber wheel and the plastic, if you're like pushing towards the inside of the label maker. So you want to know where that is. You also can feel in the pocket where the tape goes, and feel the outside of the door. So the other thing you're going to want to know, I'm going to get up. The tape has to go where the tape exits the, there's a little plastic tape holder. There's a flat part, sort of a 90-degree corner, and then the rest of the label cartridge is sort of round around it. The tape must exit, as I'm showing you here, from the flat part, and you need to hold this thus so it's to the right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it over. So now the flat part is facing you and the tape is exiting to the right, and I'm lifting up this, and I'm going to try to pull a little bit of that tape out, and I'm going to find that place between the rubber wheel and the flat part of the interior of the label maker, and I'm going to try to fish that tape right over into between the rubber wheel and the flat part. I'm going to turn it on and push the space bar, and it sucks the tape right in. And that's the right way to change the label tape. And you can see in there that you can feel the rubber wheel, and you can feel the tape, and the cartridge is now in the chamber, and that's correct. And you heard it pull it in and stop. I'm going to close the tape door, and I'm going to make a label. And it sounds like it's all working just fine. If you didn't get it right, it's not going to emboss. So if it starts embossing when you got it right, then you definitely got it. And you can see that the clear label tape is coming out here. I'm waiting for it to finish typing. And then I'm going to push the brown button in the middle of the keyboard. And I'm going to pull that out. And I successfully printed the words 6 dot.